lights, solar street light, floodlight, high bay, and bollard. Located in Ningbo, 12 years history. Owned 15,700 square plant. 5 pieces die casting machines from 1000T, 700T, 300T, and 220T. 4 pieces CNC machines, SMD mounting and welding machines, sand spray machine, big auto powder coating line, 4 pieces assembling lines. Production capacity and sure delivery time. Normally is 20 days. Company have equipped laboratory. Lighting testing include IES testing, IP, IK testing. Working temperature and lume testing equipment. Golden Classic Lighting passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certificate. Company slogan is only quality and competitive price can make long business. Products have CE, CB, ENEC, ROSE certificates. Agent all around the world and has made projects in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. Company is keep designing new products with patent sales. Customers trust Gold Classic and invested various tooling in us. We welcome OEM and ODM projects and also invest tooling together with clients. All of these make Golden Classic grow up quickly. Welcome clients from different countries contact us and visit our factory. We believe there are always products and solution can meet your projects.